Hello, I would like to practice another rhythm. This one is just a little bit more difficult than the ones I previously recorded. This rhythm is in 6/8 meter. 6/8 is a compound meter. A compound meter is a meter where the main beat divides into three equal divisions. The beat in 6/8 is the dotted quarter note. If we would evenly divide it, we divide it into 3/8 notes. We can also always see it on the beaming of the notes, because whatever belongs to one beat is beamed together. Here, these are 6/16 notes. They belong to the same beat, so they are beamed together. So we have two beats in a 6/8 meter. Each beat is the equivalent of a dotted quarter note, or 3/8 notes. Now when we count them, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we really count the division of the beat. So if you have a measure like this, we would count 1, 4, 6. So we skip the 2 and the 3 because it's held, and we skip the 5 because it's held from the quarter note. So this measure would be 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we have 16th notes, we add an end in between the numbers. So anyways, the entire measure would be counted 1, 4, and 5, and 6 at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 1. Now also notice that this rhythm has a pickup. Whenever there is a measure with a pickup, then that duration is subtracted from the last measure. Now, anyways, as it turns out, this particular rhythm is actually from a piece called On Wings of Song by Felix Mendelssohn. And the piece is beautiful. And let's now count it together. So I will switch on the metronome. I will have the metronome on 40, and that would be the dotted quarter note. That is the beat. So the beat is 40. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those would be the eighth notes, and the beats are what you hear a clicking. And if you have 16th notes, it would sound 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. And I was a tiny little bit ahead of myself there for a second. Anyways, when we start, since we have a pickup, we really start on 6 if we count the divisions. So when I switch it on, we'll hear 2 clicks, but we already have to imagine the compound meter. So just try to follow me, and we will try to count through this rhythm 3 times in a row. Okay, here it goes. 6, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 6, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4 and 5 and 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 1. 6, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4 and 5 and 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 1. 6, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4 and 5 and 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 1. All right, if it didn't go so well, you can always set the video back and redo it. In fact, I always recommend practicing a rhythm once a day for a week, that you really internalize it. Now let's clap it together. So we will also run the metronome, and I will clap. So I will not count, I will clap, and you clap along. Since I'm clapping, I won't have a free hand to actually show the rhythm. So let's just, but I will be clapping. Okay, again, we'll start on the division 6 of the first measure of hearing the clicks from the metronome. Ready? Again. Okay, so we were just a tiny little bit off. Let's try it again, and maybe clap through twice. So a couple times we were a little bit off. It might actually be easier if you practice it on your own without this video, just the rhythm. You could just basically pause the video and practice it on your own and set the metronome to 120, and then you would have the eighth notes. But really the beats are the dotted quarters. So anyways, let's try one more time. And again. And one more time. All right, so we made it through 3 times. So you can always go back or practice it again tomorrow and for the next several days once. Anyways, enjoy this beautiful rhythm.